In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Gantt chart in ClickUp so you can visualize your entire project timeline, track tasks, and manage deadlines with clarity. Start by opening your ClickUp workspace. This is your main dashboard where all your projects and tasks are stored, so make sure you're in the right workspace where your project lives. Next, open the project you want to manage. This could be anything from a marketing campaign to a personal project. Once inside, look at the top menu where different views are available. Now click on View and select Gantt. As soon as you switch to this view, ClickUp transforms your tasks into a timeline, showing when each task starts and ends across days or weeks. With the Gantt chart open, you can begin adding tasks. Click on Add Task and enter the name of your task. Once it appears on the timeline, click on it to set a start date and a due date so it fits into your schedule. As you continue adding tasks, you'll start to see your entire project take shape visually. This makes it much easier to understand how everything connects and where your time is being spent. You can also adjust tasks by dragging them across the timeline to change dates instantly. If one task depends on another, you can link them together to create dependencies, helping you avoid overlaps or delays. Take a moment to organize your timeline so it's clean and easy to follow. A clear structure helps you quickly spot conflicts, gaps, or tight deadlines. And that's it. You're now using the Gantt chart in ClickUp to plan, track, and manage your projects with a clear visual timeline, making your workflow smoother and more efficient.